Hello, my name is Pratik and today I'm at Odisha's first AI-enabled EVskillLab. This is not just a center of attraction. This is center of excellence, center of innovation. Innovation that sets us up for the future.
So this is a battery manufacturing station where the students can manufacture the lithium-ion batteries. So this is the lithium-ion battery characteristics training system where the students can know about the lithium-ion batteries, SOC and DOD while variable loads.
We're introducing new AI cubes through which the students can know about electric vehicles.
So this is a four-wheel electric vehicle BLDC drivetrain where the students can know about the wiring and the components of four-wheel electric vehicles. And here we have an IoT box through which the students can know in actual electric vehicle we have sensors and IoT panels through which if an animal comes in front of the vehicle, it automatically brakes the vehicles. And so this is a lithium-ion battery charging and discharging machine where the student can know about the charging and discharging rate of battery and get the graph through this.
Coming next to the two-wheeler dyno, where we can evaluate the total load put and the RPM generated across the three phases. As you can see, I'm standing next to the two-wheeler electric vehicle simulator. Here students will get the insights of how an electric vehicle runs, how it operates, starting from the harnesses to the controller, everything shall be covered. And here I'm standing next to the electric vehicle charging infrastructure. And I've got this RFID card. If I put it here, it enables me to get the charging started. There we go. Here I can see the AC reading from the charger and the DC reading from the SMPS charger. And here is the battery SOC, the state of charge. And as you can see, to my right is the electric vehicle three-wheeler simulator. Here you can see the battery pack, there is the controller, a display system, and here we can see the power coming to the three phases. Now here I am on a four-wheeler electric vehicle simulator, where students can get to know about all the components of this particular vehicle.